Good morning, everyone. I am fine. And how are you? Yes, good morning. Very good that you all are fine. Yes, good morning. Okay, so welcome to your class 1 EVS class, and today we will discuss on your PT2 syllabus as you all get the routine of PT2, right? And hope you all start to revise your EVS chapters, and that's about my neighborhood and let's celebrate, which I already told you the syllabus, my neighborhood and let's celebrate, right? So today you can ask me if you have any problem from those two chapters. You can ask me today because your exam is coming soon and you have to prepare for it. Yes, so let's take your copy book with you, and I will ask some questions about those two chapters, and you have to answer me, and you can copy those question answers in your copy book. Okay? Okay. So let's start. So first question is, pupil living around our house, people living around our house are called dash. People living around our house are called dash. Shudaya, which thing you ask, I ask the same thing. So those people living around our house are called, Parvez already gave the answer and Ujan also, that is neighbors. That is neighbors. Okay, so here your answer, Shudaya, which you ask me, and I ask the same question to you. So who are neighbors? People who living around our house are called neighbors. People who living around our house are called neighbors. Okay, that's about neighbors. Okay? Okay. Next question. Go to the next question. You can copy those question answer in your copy book fast. If you get questions about area around our house, those area are called dash. Area around our house are called dash. Give me answer. When you get the question about pupil, then you have to write the neighbors. And if you get the question about area, that is neighborhood. That is neighborhood. Okay, so these two things you have to remember clearly, that what is neighbors and what is neighborhood. That those people who living around our house, beside our house, those people called the neighbors. But the area where we live, if you live in Mirzapur, if you live in Dewan Dighi, Nero Dighi and others area, so that is your neighborhood. This place your neighborhood. Okay, these things you have to remember it very attentively, and you have to remember it also clearly. And next, go to the next questions, that is question number 3. When there is a theft, when there is a theft is called, when there is a theft is called, when there is a theft, we go to dash. Where do we go when there is a theft? Where do we go? When there is a theft, we go to, yes, that is police station. Very good. That is police station. So when there is a theft, we go to police station. Very good, everyone. You all gave the correct answer. Have you copied this question answer in your copybook? Because I have to erase it now. And go to the next question. Yes. Question number 4. We keep our money safe in the dash. We keep our money safe in the dash. Yes, you all gave the answer. Very good. That is bank. That is bank. Very good. So we keep our money safe in the bank. Very good. Next, question number 5. Pupil in the NEIGHBOURHOOD. Pupil in the neighborhood dash each other. So which things you have to do with your neighbors, with your neighborhood? Yes. So people in the neighborhood dash each other. Very good. Very good, everyone. Yes, it's help, it's love. Both are correct answer. But I am writing here help. Okay? Help or love, both is the correct answer. Okay, if you to both write here help and love, I am also write here by giving a or. So help or love each other. So people in the neighborhood help or love each other. Okay? So this my neighborhood chapter, from this chapter we revised and I gave some questions to you. You all gave the correct answer. That means you are all ready about this chapter. So have you any questions from this chapter? Is anything which you didn't understand and you want to know? You can ask me now. Okay. So you didn't have any questions from this chapter, so you are ready about this chapter, okay? So I am now erasing it and go to the next. Let's celebrate. Okay. Between these two chapters, there are also two chapters, that Pupil at Work and My School, which I already told you. Those two chapters are not in your exam, that Pupil at Work and My School. So give a cross on this chapter. Okay. Very good, Shubhecha. Okay. Open it. Let's celebrate. And I gave some question on that. That is question number 6. We have lots of fun on dash days. We have lots of fun on dash days. Very good, Riyadh. Shubhecha, very good. No problem. Okay. Now, give me the answer of question number 6. Yes, very good. Very good. So, we have lots of fun on festive days. On festive days. We have lots of fun on festive days. Okay? Now go to the next question. On Diwali, Lord dash returned to dash after 14 years of exile. So on Diwali, Lord dash returned to dash after 14 years of exile. Here you get 2 blank. So you have to answer here 2. Very good. Sharana, Hujan, Riyadh, here is the 2 blanks. So give me answer of the 2 question. That is, on Diwali, Lord dash returned to dash after 14 years of exile. Very good. Everyone give me answer. Everyone. So, Lord Rama. Lord Ram or Lord Rama returned to Ajodha after 14 years of exile. Okay? Okay. So, I have to erase it now and go to the next questions. So, hope you all copied it. Very good, everyone. Who gave the answer? Yes. Now, go to the question number 8. Dash is the festival of lights. Dash is the festival of lights. What is the festival of lights? Very good, Saptarshi, Sharanya. Dash is the festival of lights. Very good. It's Diwali. It's Diwali. Very good, everyone. You all gave the correct answer. Very good. Question number 9. So, on Eid, pupil, sorry, it's not pupil, it's only men. Men pray together in dash. So where men pray together on Eid? Where they pray together on Eid? Yes, very good Ujan, Shanaya, Parvez, Shaptoshi, Riyad, very good. Sharanna. And others? Give me answer. On Eid, men pray together in dash. In mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. So men pray together in mosque. Yes, Shovik, it's masjid, but in English it's called the mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. Okay. Dash is celebrated on 2nd October. Dash is celebrated on 2nd October. Yes, very good. Shaptoshi gave the answer, and others. Very good. Parvez, Sharanya. Very good. So it's Gandhi Jayanti. Very good. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Very good. So can you tell me anyone that which is celebrated on 23rd January, as tomorrow is 23rd January, right? And which thing we will go to celebrate tomorrow? Can anyone know this? I am giving the answer also. But if you know, you can't tell me. 23rd January. Dash is celebrated on 23rd January. Anyone know this? That which things we will go to celebrate tomorrow? As tomorrow is 23rd January, right? Yes, very good. It's Netaji's birthday. Very good. You all know this. Netaji's birthday. So Netaji's birthday is celebrated on 23rd January and it's tomorrow. Right? Yes. Very good everyone who gave the answer. But Ujan, what did you write here? It's Netaji. Check your spelling first. Ujan, Ghatok, check your spellings first. Rishi again. Rishi, check your spelling. Which you gave the answer. It's not only Netaji Srinika, Netaji's birthday. As you told it, na, Gandhi Jayanti, it's also same, Netaji Jayanti or Netaji's birthday. Okay? Very good. Now Srinika. Ujan, again. I told it na, Netaji's birthday. Next, on dash, people go to Gurudwara. I have to erase it now, okay? Hope you all copy this question answer at your copy book. Now go to the next question, question number 12, and that is on dash, people go to Gurudwara. Gurudwara. So when people go to Gurudwara? Yes, Saptoshi, Shovik, Shanaya, Parviz. Very good. You all give the answer, and others give me answer fast. Yes, it's Guru Purab. Very good. On Guru Purab. Guru Purab. People go to Gurudwara. Very good. Okay, so today we discuss on those two chapters, My Neighborhood and Let's Celebrate. So have you any problem from those two chapters? Please let me know. And if you have any problem, any questions, you can tell me today, because the next online class we will discuss on science also. Okay, so you haven't any problem. Okay everyone, so read those two chapters of your PT2 exam, those two syllabus very attentively at your home, and best wishes of all of you for your PT2 exam. Okay, so read attentively everyone, and you have to take the good marks on EVS and science. Okay. So best of luck, and who are present in the class, please write here P, and that's all.